Alright, I want to welcome you to this video, and if you are coming across my channel for the first time, do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, and also like this video. Alright, so let me get quick on this particular update that I want to share with the community and everyone outside there that will be interested. So this is the Global Billionaires Network Telegram channel where we share signals for trading. Alright, so this was today. I dropped this update earlier today by 12, okay, not 12. So this is when, let me start from today. Okay, yes, this is 12th July, as you can see here. This is 12th July, which is today being Saturday. So I dropped, this is update, the signal that I dropped yesterday. So we're still running in profit as of now. So, and this is continuous update. I say close trade now. The reason is because of what I saw here, the market movement, and what I saw here actually made me to send them to close this particular trade, and I dropped this signal. I said watch for this entry. Just read below, you see watch for this entry for long, right? So, and this is, I still keep dropping update on that, and this is, I say go long, as you can see there, go long, you understand? So this is the update in profit. As you can see, we are already in profit, and this is it here, you understand? So let me show you yesterday's signals. Yesterday was 11, so let me just quickly go to 11. Okay, this is 11 July being yesterday. So I dropped this update on that same trade that I told them to close, you understand? When I saw the market movement and what is happening in the market, I say watch XPX USD. So, and at this point I saw this wife USDT. I say short now, as you can see. So this is where I send the signal, and I say short SPX now. You see where I say that they should short, because I have seen the reaction and everything here. So, and this is the SPS actually when it started giving us profit, and this is wife when wife is already in massive profit, and this is wife when we are done with our 2 to 1 1 to 2 ratio, you understand? It even went more, it went down, you understand? So that one, we've closed that one in profit, and this is XPS when it was still running, and this is SPS, as you can see, massive profit. So SPS, look at it, still running in profit, which is the one I sent today, you understand? So, and this is when I said that they should close. Those that are still holding should close. Now this is just a little of it. I can still show you more. So this is another one I sent. I said buy when it rejects in this trend, and this is XPS as well. I love XPS pay because of in fact the prediction, the analysis is raw, in fact it plays out very well. So I say you should buy, that they should buy when it rejects here, you understand? It's already broken the trend line, and this is it. The next update that I got, it played perfectly. As you can see, it went this high from here when it rejected. It actually rejected at that point, you see. It rejected in this trend line and it came out this high. So, and if you check, you see updates. I sent update on the platform, you understand? So So this is another another signal that I sent, as you can see. So I say short wife. So on the next image, we are already in profit of about $7. You understand? At this point, we have a profit of about $10. So that is it. So here I sent updates, I sent signals, but I want to build a community of people that can actually enter the market confidently. You understand? By analyzing the market by themselves, not just waiting for signals or taking signal. You can be able to analyze the market and enter either long or short. Now this is not opportunity, because I have so many people that are requesting that I do a video on how they can enter long or short. It is not enough that I show you how to enter long or short, but it's enough when you know how to analyze the market and know when to go short or long. You understand? As you can see, there is massive profit of what is really happening here. You understand? So I want to give room for people that would like to learn on how to trade by themselves. Give them the key features of the things that they should watch out for before they can be able to enter into the market. You understand? So, and I'm giving room for this pre-launched. I'm giving room for the first 30 people to pay $10. For the first 30 people to pay $10 to access a live mentorship. So these are the things you're going to have access to. You're going to have access to free signals. You're going to have access to live mentorship. Not 1 month, not 2 months. You're going to have access to a live mentorship, because we'll be having live training, and also you'll have access to a recorded videos that you can watch at any time. You understand? And you also have access to me to contact me if you're having any difficulties along the way, and also a continuous mentorship and upgrading your trading skills. You understand? So I'm giving this for the first 30 people to pay $10. You understand? And it's starting from today, being 12th of July, and it's going to end by next week Saturday. So I'm giving a whole lot of 1 week for everyone that are interested to come into the mentorship. So I'll be dropping the link of the WhatsApp group on the description box. So if you're interested to join the mentorship, all it will cost you is $10 to learn how to make this massive profit, make money in the crypto space. So it's an opportunity for you to learn how to make money, print money by yourself at the comfort of your home with just your smartphone. So everything that you need, whether you're a newbie or you're a professional, already you are trading but you are not trading very well, I want to give you my key that I'm using to analyze the market. You understand? So that is it. This one is still running in profit, so we have not closed this particular trade. It's here to hit our TP. Alright, so I'm stopping this video here. If you're interested, go to the description box and join my WhatsApp group. Contact me, you get the details of the payment, and also you make your payment and we'll be resuming by after this 1 week. 1 week we'll be resuming by next 2 weeks. I'll be dropping all the details on the platform on the WhatsApp group. All right, thank you, and see you in the WhatsApp.